Merry Christmas, and we hope you had a good year and looking forward to a summer break. This is our final video review for 2023. Thank you for joining us throughout the year. We're ending the year with news of generally positive nature in the US, but extended worries about China's property sector. After quite a jump in the prior week, American mortgage application levels slipped last week, and for the first time in 6 weeks, despite a hefty retreat in benchmark 30-year mortgage interest rates. Those came at 6.83% plus points, down from 7.07% in the prior week, and the first time they've been below 7% since early August. All that was despite an impressive rise in American consumer sentiment and optimism in December, as tracked by the respected Conference Board survey. It hasn't been this high since mid-year. This rise mirrors the recent parallel University of Michigan survey. Perhaps reflecting that, US existing home sales rose in November, and for the first time in 5 months. Also positive, the American current account deficit shrank to just $200 billion in the third quarter of 2023, only 2.9% of GDP. That's its lowest level since the second quarter of 2021 in dollar terms, and its lowest since the pre-GFC as a percentage of GDP. For comparison, the New Zealand current account deficit is 7.6% of our GDP. And another large Chinese property developer has filed for bankruptcy in the US using its protections while it restructures. Evergrande was the last major Chinese property developer to try that manoeuvre. In Australia, the Melbourne Institute Leading Index has stopped falling, which is a good way for them to end their year. And the US Treasury 10-year yield has slipped another 3 basis points today to 3.89%. And the price of gold will start today down $9 at just on $2,034 an ounce. And oil prices are up 50 cents, however, at just on $74.50 a barrel in the US, although they have been higher in between. The international Brent price is now at $80 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar starts today at 62.8 US cents and marginally firmer than yesterday. Against the Aussie, we're also firm at 92.9 Australian cents, but against the euro, we're unchanged at 57.1 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today at just on 71, up 20 basis points from yesterday, and it's higher since May the 23rd in 2023, just before the RBNZ's MPS signalled that its rate hiking cycle was over. And the Bitcoin price starts today at $43,770 and up another 3.4% from this time yesterday. Volatility over the past 24 hours has been moderate to high at just under 3%. You can find links to the articles mentioned today in our show notes. Get more news about the New Zealand economy from interest.co.nz. This video content will return in mid-January. However, we will still be watching the global economy as it affects New Zealand through the summer break, with daily updates on most weekdays. And we'll have a podcast version so you can keep up while you're on the go. Merry Christmas and happy holidays. Kia ora, have fun and stay safe. I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again here in 2024.